I think for me, when I think about CDMO sponsor relationships, I think about really strategic partnerships. I don't think about it just transactionally. Again, having been on both sides of the table, um, I know it's not just about capability and what resources exist at the CDMO, but it's also about trust and understanding of risks and what the cost of execution or lack of execution is. I think that the relationship really fosters either mutually assured success or mutually assured failure. One, they feed into each other. Sponsor success really drives the bottom line of a CDMO, and a batch that goes really successfully also drives bottom line significantly. And failure on both sides as well. So I really would like to lean into that strategic partnership lens today, and also bring in the perspective around the fact that one size does not fit all. Depending on what size of the CDMO we are looking at, depending on the size of the sponsor, you might need precision or you might need agility. If you're looking at CGTs where things are really agile and change on a day-to-day basis, you might need really strong technical capabilities, and ability to pivot when you're in the middle of your runs. And so I want to bring in that lens into the conversation today, around strategic partnerships, mutual success or mutual failure, as well as the dynamism of how that relationship really plays out.